Creating engaging presentations can be a challenge, but with Canva, you can make your slideshows more dynamic by setting them to autoplay. This feature allows your presentation to run on its own, advancing through slides without manual input. So let's walk you through the steps to set up autoplay slides in Canva. First, log into your Canva account. If you don't have one, signing up is free and straightforward. Once you are in, open the presentation you want to set to autoplay. If you haven't created one yet, you can start a new presentation by selecting a template that suits your needs. With your presentation open, look for the Present button located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will give you a few options. For autoplay, you will want to select Autoplay feature. After selecting this feature, your presentation is starting to play. Canva also allows you to choose how long each slide stays on the screen before moving to the next. You can set the duration in seconds depending on how much time you want to allocate per slide. For instance, if your slides are text-heavy, you might opt for a longer duration to give viewers enough time to read. To set a duration, go back to the project and in the bottom toolbar, click on the duration option. This action is going to open a top toolbar where you should click on the timer and select a duration for each slide and select the Apply to All option. Your presentation will now begin, advancing through the slides automatically based on the timing you have set. As you see, setting up an autoplay presentation in Canva is a straightforward process that can enhance the effectiveness of your slideshows. By allowing these steps, you can create a dynamic presentation that runs seamlessly, allowing you to focus on engaging with your audience. So, I hope you found this short video helpful, and if you enjoyed, like the video and hit the subscribe button to get more tutorials about Canva.